Good morning, everyone. My name is George Sebastião, Chief Security Officer of DataCenter and Ecosystems for DeCenter and IPTP. First of all, I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations on the winning of the DeCenter team and IPTP networks for this remarkable event. This is the launch not only celebrating this new data center, but it's a big new chapter of Vietnam's role in the global digital economy locally and the southeastern part of Asia. I'm truly proud to stand here with you to congratulate you on this milestone and this occasion. As a Chief Security Officer of DeCenter Foundation, my journey in technology and infrastructure spans over 30 years across 65 countries, both in Europe, Middle East, Asia, and Africa. Prior to DeCenter role, I also spent over 5 years as CTO of Ecosystem of Huawei Technologies, where I help in the data center roles and the cloud technologies that are actually power this innovation of large-scale infrastructure and ecosystems. Those years gave me a unique perspective on the challenges and the opportunities in building resilient data centers that are future-proof and are embedded into the approach that we have included in this DeCenter built jointly with IPTP. At its core, the data center is not just about racks, power, and connectivity and cooling. It is much more about trust and future-proof technology. Because when we build a data center, we have a data center that must preserve the information, trust, and its safety. So we need to build all the elements into this, and they have been incorporated into this DeCenter. Not only that, this data center has been ready for AI or artificial intelligence technology. Security is not an afterthought here. It was designed into all the layers of the project, including things like Tier 3 or 3 or 4 certifications, which enable things like highly redundant architectures so that you can then afterwards include compliance into ISO standards, PCI DSS for payment systems, and GDPR for data protection. More than just cybersecurity, we also built a carrier-neutral model that ensures high resilience and availability by spreading the connectivity across multiple providers. AIDC data center is built to those international expectations and standards. I'm also very excited about the impact that this project has in Vietnam as a strategic positioning, as Vietnam becomes playing a more important role in the application development, cloud technology, blockchain, cybersecurity as well. IP networks, IPTP, gives us that global connectivity with being able to collocate information across over 200 data centers around the planet and gives you data protection, data sovereignty, and safety, as well as complete operational transparency. One other important element is the location of Da Nang itself. Da Nang is at the right place at the right time because of, we can call it the perfect storm, meaning all the technology companies are relocating to Da Nang, and they need access to such capacity in infrastructure so that they have a digital data center that they can trust. Again, on behalf of DeCenter Foundation, I apologize for not being able to be there physically, but I want to congratulate my colleague Vladimir Kanjin, as well as Brian Thren and the entire team, and the high amount of work that they have put, and the partners as well, in achieving this big milestone. And not only building a data center, but actually building a new benchmark that will achieve a sustainable infrastructure for the long run for the Da Nang region and its future. Thank you. and enjoy the event today.